Yes. Hey, let's think about you. You are so close to the top. You can see it. Yes. Yeah, I'm back in my bag. My eyes bloodshot, but my jet don't lag. Try to chase this cash. Hey, hey. We ain't make it yet. We got one more. One more.
Wow.
Look where we came from. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's do it. So close. Don't slow down now. Push yourself. Push yourself. Push yourself. Push yourself. Push yourself. Don't wait till the end to slow down. Push yourself. Yeah. 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 High five. High five. High five. Woo. Yeah. You did it. Yeah. Yeah. You did it. Yeah. All right.
Nice.
You did it. Yes, girl. Yes. You did it. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Oh.
Nice.
Yeah. I know, girl. You did it, honey. You did it. The sacrifice, you did it. Girl, Emma, you worked that, girl. Yeah. It does feel amazing, doesn't it?
Do it again.
Oh, I do. I do 3 rounds.
Nice.
I see how much easier it is to go down here, to fail. See how much easier it is to fail? To go downhill. Momentum helping you. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? You see how much easier it is to fail? To go downhill than it is to go uphill? Oh my gosh, I'm even getting momentum. I'm getting momentum to fail. But getting up that hill, oh, the resistance. You feel that? Ain't that crazy? Come on now. Come on now. Hey, Staffingpreneur. Y'all see how easy it is to fail? To go downhill? It's way easier to go downhill and to fail than it is to get back up. Go ahead, you even gonna get momentum. It's gonna push you down there. So much easier to fail. It's so much easier to fail to go downhill. It's so much easier to fail and go downhill. Look how easy it is to fail. Look how easy it is.
I know.
Ooh, I even got momentum to fail. Oh, but ooh, going back up that hill.
Yeah. That's the challenge.
That's the challenge.
Woo.
But look how easy it is to
That's right. Go down.
just fall. Go downhill. Sabotage. Self-sabotage with ease. No, for real. I mean, you think about it, it's like, man, it's so much easier to go down than it is.
That's right.
But getting back up, girl, getting up that mofo.
Right.
Y'all
Especially another challenge is when you went up already, then you go
and then it got to go back up again. Yes, honey. Oh, give me some. Oh, let me tell everybody else. You said something. You said something. Yes. Love that. And that's what I said yesterday. Getting to that bottom and then having to go back up to that top again. Ooh.